Hi, my name is Nick Schultz. You can call me Professor Schultz or Dr. Schultz, and I'm going to be your instructor for Anatomy 25 this semester. Now, I'm sure that some of you may be a bit scared of starting off in a fully online anatomy class, but I assure you that I'm going to be around the entire semester to help guide you through this course. One of the benefits that we have is that our lectures are going to be synchronous, meaning that we're going to meet every week, twice a week at 1 p.m. via Zoom to go through lecture material. Okay? That doesn't mean that all of the class is going to be via Zoom interactions like the lecture will be. But I'm going to be around to answer questions and guide you through the semester and help you better understand and appreciate human anatomy. One of the ways that we're going to try to accomplish this semester is through interacting with one another, even though we're not in a face-to-face setting. So we're going to build a sense of community through discussion posts and some group assignments and through lecture activities. But I thought that I would start off by telling you a little bit more about myself. So I started college as a community college student, studying kinesiology or exercise science. I then went on to earn a bachelor's in kinesiology and a doctorate in molecular biology from USC. Now, my doctoral diploma says molecular biology, but really I studied comparative anatomy, looking specifically at bone evolution across mammal species. So in anatomy class, I come from a perspective of exercise science, so talking about cardiovascular system, muscular system, respiratory system, and how they all work together for exercise physiology and anatomy. And I also come from an evolutionary biology perspective from my doctoral work in looking at bone structures. So we're going to get a little bit of application with some case studies throughout the class to help us kind of better understand human anatomy. And we're going to look a little bit at comparative anatomy. So we'll look at some structures in other species and compare them to the human structure and what that looks like. So next week we get started. We have a check-in assignment that will open up on Monday, which is due Wednesday, August 26th. Our first lecture will be Tuesday at 1 p.m. via Zoom. You can find the link to lectures on our Canvas site, and any information that you need about the class will be posted on Canvas tonight. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to be around to answer any questions that you have throughout the course of the semester or even before the semester starts over the weekend. Okay? I'm excited about getting started this semester. I think this is going to be a really fun experience working through anatomy class this semester. Over the summer, there's a group of anatomy instructors at PCC that worked really hard to make this online experience a valuable experience and as easy of a transition as possible. Okay? So hopefully you're excited to get started next week. I will be available via email if you have any questions, and I will see you Tuesday afternoon.